In this short video, we'll explain how to use Klipspringer's Rapid Allergen Test Kits, commonly used for the detection of allergens in food factories. Firstly, take a test stick out of the box and place on your worktop. If you are using a water sample for your test, you will not need the swab kit. Next, collect your rinse water and add 4 drops of test solution onto the sample application slot. After waiting 10 minutes, you are now ready to check your test stick. If a red line is visible, the test is positive, and there were traces of allergen detected on your surface. If a red line isn't visible, the test was negative, and there were no traces of allergen detected on your surface. Finally, confirm if there is a red dot in the confirmation window. If there isn't a red dot visible, the test is invalid, and that's it, you have now completed the test. If you need further support, reach out to the Klipspringer team today.